for a little walk to take a look at the river and see if it's totally frozen over. I got tea. Today is a lot different. Hope my hair is okay and everything. Oh shit. I haven't really been paying attention to hair and anything else. We're out of water. Do have wood. And I was hoping for better weather today. Photography weather. And as it turns out, it is 18 degrees right now. It's 2 o'clock, and this is the last of this is the brightest. This is the best. I could have probably gone out at noon, made it better. But anyway, I am going out. I'm going to take a picture of the river. I'm going to have to put on some other stuff here, like pants. It'd be really good to have pants. I'm drinking my green tea prior to going out. I have a top to this someplace. I have no idea where that is. Nah. Okay, so this is the whole thing. Out we go. Yes, out we go. Indeed. Indeed, indeed, indeed. We would do one swoop here of the, now, see what's out there. We'll do a little swoop. Get some pants here. Need pants. And, so I have my Columbia Sportswear state-of-the-art underwear, which really isn't very warm all by itself. It's not warm at all. But underneath everything, it's pretty damn good. And yeah, put on my boots. And I'm getting, I'm cinching the top and blousing my pants and cinching the top. And you can see my cleats, my steel studs on the boots. And these boots dry out pretty good anyway. All right, so this needs a top, but I can always reheat it. Ah, that's hot. I'm going to leave my glasses inside. Nah, I'm going to wear my glasses. This is aim at this direction. Can you still see me? Hopefully. This is a great production thing. All right. This is it. We're gone. Adventure! Doo, doo, doo. Is the river iced over? No, sure. Is it totally iced over? Maybe. Maybe not. I think, you know, it's so rapid. There's going to always be some place on this river that isn't iced over for obvious reasons. It's not looking too bad outside. It was looking bad. Do do do. Off we go. We're recording. This is all good. Oh, how nice. We got wind. We got snow. And we got daylight. That's not too bad. So the question is it iced over? Totally. And the answer to that is hard to say until we get up here. Whoa! Look at this baby. That's what I was thinking. Look at that. Now we got it iced over, and there's supposed to be like a foot of snow here later on in the day. Oh, that's amazing. So that's it. See, that's all river. That's all river. And of course, you know, you would be able to maybe walk across that, you know, of course. But the problem is, one of the problems, well, there is no problem. Now, you walk across it. Whoa, yeah, this is so cool. Yeah, I got most of the snow off my chair yesterday. Oh, this is good. Oh, yeah. And it's not as bad out as I was fearing. I feared. Look at that. Now let's see if I can get down there and... Oh, shit. No, I don't do that very good anymore. I used to do it better. Oh. Can I get in there under the ice? Nope. I don't think so. No. No, I can just barely get regular view. I don't have a light. No light. So this is just a regular view. Let's see if I can get us